Have you just got an on-streaming device? If so, you're about to unlock its true power. In this quick video, I'll show you how to effortlessly set up your new device and load it with the latest and greatest apps. You don't need to be tech savvy for this. Anyone can do it in just a few minutes. Let's take a look. First, a quick clarification. The term jailbreak doesn't apply to on devices. Jailbreaking refers to gaining root access to the software to remove restrictions, which is not required for on devices. Instead, you only need to make a simple change in your settings to enable sideloading, which means you can install apps from sources other than the Google Play Store. Therefore, even though you may have come across this video while searching for jailbreak, what we'll actually be doing is sideloading. To install apps not available on the Google Play Store, we need to use an app called Downloader. Here is how you can install it. From the home screen, select the magnifying glass. Use your remote to type Downloader. Then tap down to the magnifying glass and select it. On the next screen, select the orange Downloader app and click the button to download and install it. Now we can use Downloader to download apps. The next step is to alter your device settings to permit Downloader to install those downloaded apps. Go to your on-device home screen, tap the arrow on the right and select the gear icon to open your on settings. Next, tap down, select System and then select About. Scroll down until you find Android TV OS Build and tap the Select button on your remote 7 times until you see the message, "You are now a developer." Now press the back button once to return to the previous screen, and you should now be able to access developer options. If it is not already enabled, slide the toggle for Enable Developer Options and then confirm by selecting OK. You can now use the Downloader app to visit websites, including download pages and app stores, to install even more applications onto your on device. To access my Downloads page, open the Downloader app on your device. Then tap to the box located at the top of the screen and enter 28907. Then click on the Go button. This will take you directly to my website's download page, where you can browse hundreds of apps that are categorized for easy navigation. To install an app, first select a category you're interested in, then tap on any app in the list. To download the app, scroll down until you see the light blue download button that looks exactly like this, and then select it to begin the installation process. You will then see a pop-up message asking for permission to install unknown apps. To allow this, select Settings and then toggle Downloader from off to on. Once you've done that, you can continue with the installation process. Once the app is installed, click Done and then select Delete twice to remove the installation file and free up space on your on device. You can then go to your app screen to open it and enjoy using your newly installed app. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips for your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.